Hello students, today we are discussing about real numbers. Real numbers को हिंदी में वास्तविक संख्याएं कहा जाता है and this lecture is helpful for the class 6 to 12 students and those who are appearing in entrance examination, SSC, Bank, PO, UPSC, aptitude test, etc. And for such kind of informative videos regarding mathematics, please subscribe, like and share our channel Mathematics Catalyst. Now, first of all, natural numbers, counting numbers, index numbers. Natural numbers को वैसे प्राकृत संख्याएं कहा जाता है because these numbers are found from the nature. Numbers found from nature like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to last are called the natural numbers. And the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7 that is the skip counting. बचपन में हम करते थे skip counting एक एक नंबर को छोड़कर. तो 1, 3, 5, 7 these are the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Similarly, the sequence 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. You can make the pairs of each even. You can divide each even into the pairs like 2 has 1 pair, 4 has 2 pairs, 6 has 3 pairs, 8 has 4 pairs and so on. These are the even numbers. Those numbers which are not divisible by any number and have only two divisors, 1 and itself, like 2. 2 has two divisors, 1 and itself, that is 2. 3 has two divisors, 1 and 3 itself. There is no any number which divides 3, excluding 1 and 3. Similarly, 5 has two divisors, 1 and 5 only. So these are called प्राइम नंबर्स. प्राइम नंबर्स को अभाज्य संख्याएं कहा जाता है. दोज नंबर्स विच हैज मोर देन टू डिवाइजर्स आर कॉल्ड कंपोजिट नंबर्स. लाइक 4 के अगर हम डिवाइजर्स देखें तो वो 2 है, 1 है, 4 है, राइट. तो देयर आर 3 डिवाइजर्स. So basically that 4 does not belonging to the family of primes because it has more than 2 divisors. 6 has 1, 2, 3 and 6 as the divisors, so it has 4 divisors, therefore it also belonging to the composite family. ठीक है. Whole numbers, everything starts from 0, so 0 is our main number. All the naturals along with 0 are called whole numbers. Whole numbers means पूर्ण संख्याएं. 0 के बिना संख्याएं पूर्ण नहीं थी. 0 के आने के बाद संख्याएं पूर्ण हुई, क्योंकि जब हम 10 की बात करते हैं तो we need 1 and 0 both, है ना. उसके बाद अगर आप आगे काउंटिंग करेंगे तो उसमें भी इनकी जरूरत पड़ती है. सो 0 के बिना हमारे नंबर्स कंप्लीट नहीं थे. सो 0 के आने के बाद these numbers are whole numbers. Now think, all naturals are whole numbers, but all whole numbers are not natural. सभी प्राकृत संख्याएं पूर्ण होती हैं, परंतु पूर्ण संख्याएं नेचुरल प्राकृत नहीं होती, क्योंकि 0 उसमें एक्स्ट्रा नंबर होने के बाद ही वो पूर्ण बनती हैं, पूर्ण संख्याएं होती हैं. All composite numbers are naturals, but all naturals not composite. Similarly, all odds are not prime, but all primes are not odd. There is only one prime number which is prime as well as even, that is 2. So excluding 2 is there. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 1 को प्राइम और कंपोजिट दोनों कैटेगरी में नहीं रखा जाता, क्योंकि 1 के डिवाइजर्स सिर्फ एक ही है, दैट इज 1. 1 के अलावा 1 को कोई और नंबर डिवाइड नहीं कर सकता. प्राइम नंबर्स आपने स्टडी किए जिसके 2 डिवाइजर होते हैं, 2 डिवाइजर्स होते हैं, उसको प्राइम बोलते हैं. और कंपोजिट आपने स्टडी किया जिसके मोर देन 2 डिवाइजर्स होते हैं, इसलिए 1 इज नीदर प्राइम नॉर composite number. Explore such kind of results to understand the numbers. Next are integers. Integers मतलब पूर्णांक. पूर्णांक दो प्रकार के होते हैं, धनात्मक पूर्णांक और ऋणात्मक पूर्णांक. होल नंबर्स विद नेगेटिव साइंस आर आल्सो इंक्लूडेड इन दिस सेट. 0 is the neutral integer, have neither positive nor negative sign. आप देख रहे हैं 0 जो हमारे पास नंबर है, 0 एक न्यूट्रल नंबर है. आफ्टर दैट दीज आर द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स एंड ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड वी हैव नेगेटिव नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग इन ए लिफ्ट, तो व्हेन यू सी इन द लिफ्ट, some of the numbers are appearing when you entered into the lift, that is 0 0 for the ground floor. When you go up, so 1 2 3 4 5 up to last is there, or when you go down to the ground, then there are the negative numbers. So this is the application which we have seen in our daily life. All naturals are integers, but converse is not true. Similarly, all whole numbers are integers, all integers are not whole. Many more questions, think yourself. आफ्टर दैट रैशनल नंबर्स होती है हमारी परिमेय संख्याएं, दोज नंबर्स विच आर एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p बाय q. q 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर q 0 के इक्वल हो गया तो किसी भी नंबर के नीचे यदि 0 लिखा हुआ है तो वो कैसा होता है, अपरिमित संख्या, इनफाइनाइट. Infinite means undetermined. In infinite number, existence is not there. So q must not equals to 0 are called rational numbers. Rational numbers can be defined as terminating numbers, like 1 by 2 is 0.5, 3 by 4 is 0.75. When you divide 5 by 2 we get 2.5. These are the terminating numbers. And rational numbers may be expressed as non-terminating. अगर वो रुकेंगे नहीं तो फिर वो repeat करेंगे, मतलब non-terminating and reoccurring means repeating numbers, like 1 by 3 that is 0.333. तो हम देख रहे हैं इसमें कि 3 की बार बार रेपिटेशन हो रही है. 2 by 3 है तो 0.666 आप देख रहे हैं 6 की रेपिटेशन हो रही है. इसी तरीके से ग्रुपिंग में लाइक 0.12121212 इस टाइप का हमारे पास अगर कोई नंबर है तो इसमें द रेपिटेशन ऑफ 12 इज देयर आफ्टर डेसिमल, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो ए रैशनल नंबर्स. तो ये जो टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर्स मैंने आपको बताया, रियकरिंग नंबर्स, तो रियकरिंग नंबर्स जो हो सकते हैं, डिजिट्स जो हो सकते हैं, वो ग्रुपिंग के अंदर भी हो सकते हैं, ध्यान रखें आप. ऑल इंटीजर्स आर ऑल्सो रैशनल नंबर्स बट कन्वर्स नीड नॉट ट्रू. Go for irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are not rational. That is a simple definition. Those numbers which are not rational are called irrational. Means rational numbers are terminating, first thing, and second thing is non-terminating and repeating. Then go for the third one, non-terminating and non-repeating. So non-terminating and non-repeating are the numbers which are belonging to the irrational numbers, अपरिमेय संख्याएं. 1.23451 यहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं 1.23451 there is no repetition of the digits in anyone else. Similarly 56.342980 there is no repetition of the digits. So these are the irrational numbers, अपरिमेय संख्याएं. Square root of primes are irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on. Pi is an irrational number. Similarly e is also an irrational number. In our upcoming videos we can discuss about these things. Pi is a special character. Similarly e is also a special character. We will discuss in our videos. Next are the real numbers. All the discussed number like whole numbers, natural numbers and prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers are the real numbers. Means जितने भी आपने अभी तक नंबर स्टडी किए हैं वो सारे के सारे क्या थे, हमारे रियल नंबर, जिनको हम बोलते हैं वास्तविक संख्याएं. एंड अरिस्टोटल ऑल्सो said that universe is made up of real numbers, and you must think about this. After that, this is our visualization of the real numbers and it is a real number classification. वास्तविक संख्याओं को किस तरीके से हम समझ सकते हैं. सबसे पहले है हमारे पास real numbers. First of all, real numbers, and these numbers are categorized as irrational numbers and rational numbers. अपरिमेय संख्याएं या फिर परिमेय संख्याएं. अपरिमेय संख्या है तो कोई बात नहीं, बट परिमेय संख्या अगर है तो उनको फिर से 2 कैटेगरी में क्लासिफाई किया जा सकता है. रैशनल नंबर्स आर नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड रिपीटिंग नंबर्स, और इट मे बी टर्मिनेटिंग एज वी हैव सीन आवर video. And terminating numbers again categorized into terminating decimals like 4.3, 1.37, 1.5762. These type of numbers are terminating decimals. And similarly terminating numbers can categorize as integers. Integers are the basically negative, 0 and positive ones, and they categorize into negative integers as well as positive integers with zero. Positive integers with zero matlab these are the whole numbers, right? And after getting the whole numbers, then these two again whole numbers can categorize into zero and natural numbers. We know that zero is the extra number. When you add 0 into the natural numbers, we get the whole numbers. After that, naturals categorize into odd numbers and even numbers, and odd numbers again categorize into composite numbers as well as prime numbers, because all the odd numbers are prime, but some of the odds which are not prime belonging to the composite numbers family. Similarly, natural numbers classified as even numbers also, and even numbers again categorized into two categories. 2 is a different number because it is a prime number. 2 is the only prime which is even. 2 is the only prime which is even. It is very important discussion. And others are the composite numbers. Others have more than two factors, and which we have studied in our video. These all about the real numbers. After that, we will discuss about the complex numbers and other numbers also. Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel, Mathematics Catalyst.